Hey everybody, Hunter back again from Showtime Studios. We're going to start painting the lower part of the chassis or the body on the build tutorial. We're going to be spraying it straight out of the can with this Tamiya Racing White, the same color we used on the chassis. And I've got it turned upside down here right now. And first off, we're going to go ahead and spray the bottom edge of like the fender wells, what's underneath and right along the edge of the running boards here, and the back of the body and up here on the nose. We're just going to get a light coat down on that just to cover that in. Then we're going to flip it over and we'll go ahead and do the top side. So to start out with, I've already shaken this up once. I'm going to do it again. And we'll flick the booth on here. Flick on my helicopter. And now we're going to start spraying. Just going to put a light mist coat down on all the underside edges. And we're not worried about this in here at all because that's all going to be semi-gloss black when we're done. So all we're worried about doing is getting the edges of the fender wells where they roll under. And the front and back of the panels. And as far as the underneath, that is all there is to it. Now what we're going to do is, I got this mounted on a toothpick right now. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. I'll put these two empty Tamiya jars back on here. And then we're going to lightly set that down. On those jars. And now we're going to carry on to the painting the actual fenders. So here we go. As always, we're going to get a mist coat down on everything. Just something to get the paint to grab onto as we get to the heavier coats. Just a white mist is all you need. Now we'll just keep going around the body, doing the light mist coats on it, making sure we get all on the edges of the fenders and things like that. Up around all the edges of the headlights. Do the same thing on each side. Short bursts of the paint. Take it every now and then in between, just to make sure that you keep it shook up real well. It's not as critical on this color because this is actually a solid color and not a metallic, so not that big of a deal. But it's just habit for me to shake the can in between. We're actually going to coat all this down in one session, and we will be done with laying the actual color coats on the lower part of the body. And then we will go back and do a clear coat on this once everything dries up. Now, if you wanted to, this Tamiya paint, this color here is actually glossy right out of the can. So if you really wanted to, you could spray it without a clear coat. As long as you put it down nice and even, it goes on shiny and it will stay that way. So that's something to remember on the Tamiya spray cans. Not all of them, but this particular color here is a gloss finish. So if you don't have any decals or anything, which we don't on this one, you wouldn't have to clear coat it. But I always clear coat all my models. And that's it. We have it in the racing weight from Tamiya. That's all we're going to put on it. That's all we need. Everything's covered in. Looks real good. So kick this noisy booth off here. And we've got just a very little bit of paint left in that. And then the next color that we're going to be shooting on the upper body is the TS37, which is the lavender from Tamiya. And that'll be out of the can too. So that's all we've got for this video. Like always, I thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.